Hello friends, welcome back to a new video. So today we have an interesting tech news for you. Audio company FIFINE Microphones have launched new wireless microphone system into the Indian market. This is the FIFINE K040 professional wireless microphone system. Let it be any event, get together or party, we need a professional microphone audio system. Well, even if you have best amplifiers and speaker kits, you need a powerful microphone system. This kit has two highly sensitive cardioid pattern microphones which can operate over large range using UHF band. There is also individual volume controls for each microphone and large LCD for complete information. There are individual XLR output for professional consoles. There is also a single 1x4 mix output for the standard audio systems. These UHF karaoke microphones do operate on different UHF frequencies to minimize the interference and dropouts. There are 50 adjustable frequencies over each channel in the dual channel handled wireless mics. This is very much beneficial for the presenters and musicians to eliminate any possible interferences and get super accurate audio. There is also a dual channel receiver which is designed for ease of use and is suited for DJs, and you can also use it in classrooms, large halls, churches and any events. These are metal dynamic microphones with unique dipole antenna design on the receiver to get highly reliable transmission and is capable of getting direct line of sight long range of up to 35 meters or 115 feet. This system is perfect for parties, karaoke, entertainment, meetings, and for any such events. There are two microphones, which is great setup for a duet. There are individual volume controls for each microphone, which is good for duet, live performances, weddings, outdoor events, and hall conferences. This works with two by AA batteries. It can also be used by educators on anyone who needs studio quality sound. It comes with 1 year of warranty and it is having a price of 8,990 rupees. So you can purchase it at a discounted rate. You can find the link in the description below. Kindly like the video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and put the bell notifications on to get the latest video updates from our side. Thanks for watching. Keep visiting our website, which is technary.com. Have a great day ahead.